Let's show you how to animate a zoom using edit points. In this recording, we want to be able to zoom in on a certain area, hold for a few seconds, and then zoom back out. To start, let's drag the bar in the timeline where you want the zoom to begin. Click anywhere in the recording to bring up this main video menu. Go to a preview window and use the handles to zoom into the area you want. You can drag the box to reposition if needed. Then click on this icon here to make your first edit point. This bar here indicates the gradual ease of the zoom. By default, it's at 1 second, but you can increase or decrease that time here. You can preview your edit by clicking here. Next, we move ahead a few seconds in the timeline to indicate where we want to start zooming back out. Go back to the preview window, and you can either use the handles to drag it back out to full screen, or you can simply click the reset button here. Here, we will make our second edit point. Preview your edit point, and if it looks good, click OK or Enter on your keyboard. You can also use these edit points to animate other overlays, such as a moving arrow, image, or text box.